So what support do places need to develop? I mean, you either use yours as an example or things you've seen elsewhere.
I think generally, this idea of enabling people to work in the systems. So the idea of having, rather than, as mentioned before, organizational development, systems development. So how do you adopt leadership and management techniques to help you shape your understanding of what's going on within a system? So that feels one. I think the second one is there's something around governance and having some expertise about how you develop governance. I think there's something around the financial framing of it, which is hellishly complex, and that's going to need some support. And I think there's something around communication and engagement, that communicating and engaging in a way that is fit for place rather than is fit for organization.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I think they'd be the main four, really.
Yeah, okay, fantastic. I'm conscious we've got a couple of minutes left, and I wish we had a couple of hours left. But the final question that we always end on for the benefit of our audience, in terms of things that you're doing locally and places are doing, do you think there's a role for industry to play in supporting development?
Yeah, definitely. I think that too often, I mean, I go back to that example about a new hospital. You know, new diagnostics, carbon neutral footprint, you know, that idea of then integrating into the community. Well, there are opportunities for investment in better equipment, in better construction facilities, you know, in terms of actually better housing. When you're getting into that, then you're moving into the more specific medtech issues. So you're getting into better digital facilities within primary care and in people's homes and neighborhoods. You know, the list's endless if we can begin to think, because it is such a big supply chain and so many opportunities to do things differently and more efficiently. It really does feel a real opportunity.
And would your colleagues locally be keen to have conversations with companies who were thinking of things differently, trying to come up with new perspectives?
I think they would be, yeah. I think they would be. I mean, you only know what you see is available, don't you? So, I mean, if you've never seen something that could be done differently, it's very difficult. I mean, I remember within my former trust in the Barnsley area, we were heavily digitized in our community services. And it was only when we saw how that could work that you begin to see the merit of the investment in that type of technology.
Yeah, absolutely.
You know, we've always looked at chronic heart failure in this way, and the only way you can look after it is to have teams of community nurses going into people's homes all the time. No, you don't. You put the hub in the home and put them in a call center, and they only need to come out when they need to come out.